My name is Edna Pilostratos. I'm 37 years old. I have three kids, one daughter and two sons. The age is daughter is 18, the one son is 15, and the last one is son, 11 years old. And I worked before in Kuwait, 6 years experience, and also I taking care there of the adult and uh, that that adult is every day I give him what he needs, and I am a simple. My height is 5'4", my weight is 64, and yes, I can work with coworker, and I taking care of adults or either newborn. Thank you.